hamster, he's my pet. He's my pet. He's the greatest hamster yet. He's my pet. He's my pet. He's the greatest hamster yet. He's my pet. He's my pet. Come here, elephant. I have to put you back in your cage before I go. Elephant, come on. Hey, elephant, look what I got. Hamster treats. Gotcha. I knew you'll come back for food. Elephant's my hamster. He's my pet. He's my pet. He's the greatest hamster yet. He's my pet. He's my pet.
That's a nice song, Little Bill.
I made it up.
I like it. Now please hurry up and get dressed. We have to go downtown to get you kids some new sneakers.
Can we bring Elephant?
Well, not unless he needs new pair of sneakers, too.
Okay, Mama.
Elephant's a hamster. He's my pet. He's my pet.
Elephant's my hamster. He's my pet. He's my pet. Okay, Elephant. Elephant? Elephant? Elephant, where are you?
Come on, Little Bill. It's time to go.
Where are you?
Little Bill, come on. What are you looking for?
Elephant. He likes to play under my bed. But I can't find him.
You mean he ran away?
Ran away? Where?
While your door was open. He could be anywhere in the house. Unless the front door is open. Then he could be anywhere in the world. Bobby? Well, he could if he got outside.
I had to close the doors.
We'll keep searching in here.
Mama, Dad, Alice the Great, close all the doors. Close all the doors. Mama, Dad, close all the doors.
What's the matter, son?
What's going on?
Elephant ran away.
Ran away? He was just in your room.
But he's gone now.
He must be somewhere around the house.
I can't find him.
We'll help you look for him.
What if he ran outside?
Don't worry, baby. He's got to be in there somewhere. All the doors are closed.
He's not in your room, Little Bill. We checked all over.
Did you look in my rain boots? Sometimes he likes to crawl in there.
We looked. He's not there.
Oh, no.
Are we gonna go buy sneakers now? Bobby? Bobby what? I want my new sneakers.
I'm not going until I find Elephant.
What if we never find him?
Bobby?
Oh, no.
All right. Let's just split up and search the whole house. Don't worry, son. A big old elephant shouldn't be hard to find. Right. Well, I'll start in the den.
I'll check my room.
I'll check our room.
I'll get my magnifying glass, and I'll trail him like a detective.
Look under stuff. Elephant likes to crawl under furniture.
You got it. Elephant!
Let's you and me check the kitchen, Little Bill.
Elephant? Is that you, buddy? Elephant? I'm looking for an elephant. and I find a dusty frog.
Elephant?
He's not in my room.
I haven't found any footprints yet.
Let's check the bathroom.
Yeah, maybe he jumped into the toilet for a swim.
Bobby?
Bobby? What'd I say?
Elephant!
Elephant.
Come here, boy!
Elephant. Where are you, you little rascal?
He's not here.
Let's check the hallway.
Elephant's not upstairs.
We even searched the bathroom.
We didn't flush, just in case.
Huh?
He's not in the den, son.
You know what we should do?
Bobby?
No, I'm serious. We should think like detectives.
That makes sense.
Finally, Bobby makes sense.
A detective will try to figure out what Elephant likes to do and places he likes to go.
Good idea, Bobby. That would help find him or make him come out of his hiding place.
I know what he likes. His rolling ball. That's his favorite thing.
That's a good place to start detecting. Follow me.
Elephant! Ball time! Elephant!
Whew, it's chilly in here.
Hey, the window's open.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
If this was the last room Elephant was seen in, and the window was open all this time, he could have jumped on the windowsill
And crawled outside.
Yep. He could be all the way in Africa by now.
Africa? Elephant! Elephant! Where are you? You're not the elephant I'm looking for. I'm looking for my hamster. Elephant the hamster, where are you? Please come home. I'll never find him.
Don't give up, Little Bill. What else does he like?
I know. He likes his hamster treats.
Hamster treats.
Yeah, he loves them.
Elephant? Come and get it.
Elephant. Come and get it.
Ellie! Come here. Over here.
Elephant,
Here, boy.
Yum, yum,
Come
yum.
and get it.
No, Mama. He likes when I shake the box. Like this. Hey, Elephant, look what I got. Hamster treats.
So what else does he like?
He likes it when I sing to him.
Well, sing.
Elephant is a hamster. He's my pet. He's my pet. He's the greatest hamster. He's my pet. He's my pet.
Elephant's a hamster. He's my pet.
Elephant's a hamster. He's my pet.
Elephant's a hamster. He's my pet. He's my pet. He's the
Elephant's
greatest
a hamster.
yet.
He's my pet.
He's my pet.
He's the greatest hamster yet. He's my
He's
pet.
my pet.
He's my
He's
pet.
my
He's
pet.
my pet. He's my pet.
He's the greatest hamster yet. He's my pet. He's my pet.
He's the greatest hamster yet. He's my pet. He's my pet.
Elephant! Elephant! You came back.
Aw.
I told you he'd come back with a little good detective work.
Yeah, but Little Bill's the one who knew what he liked.
He likes those treats.
He sure likes that song.
And he likes me.
Yeah, he does like you.
Are we gonna go buy sneakers now?
Bobby?